little kitten update. I've been meaning to do this for a while, and I just haven't been doing it. But oh baby, oh, he looks so cute. Look at him. This is a kitten update. As you can see, there's only 3. The reason because of that is because my mom gave the other 2 to, one of them to her work friend, the other to someone else. I was sad. I hated that they had to go. I loved them, and I cared about them. But hey, oh, look at him. I got to keep these babies. Scott, I want you to meet Oscar, Skyrex, and this sleepy baby right here. This is Momo, aka Morbius. They have been hellish. A lot hellish. It feels like kids. Or at least it feels like what I would expect in kids. Like if I had a kid of my own and they were just being born. That's what, not born, but like able to crawl and stuff. That's how they're acting. They follow me everywhere. Like if I go in the kitchen, they would be right behind me. And whenever I go and take a shower, if I leave the door open, they'll be waiting outside, which I hate. Because, yeah, I can't get dressed if they're in the bathroom and stuff. They get upset if I leave them in the room, which sometimes I have to because they get like in places. I have to give them a shower tomorrow. Oh, look at them looking all cute. Excuse me. Here's their house. Obviously gotta clean it.
Okay.
But yeah, they follow me everywhere. Like if I sit in that chair, they'll sit on that desk right there and sleep on it. And if I come over here, they'll obviously come over here. And every morning, oh, I just love waking up in the morning because either him or him or him will wake up on my chest. It's like they're taking turns and everything. I'm about to end this video because the TV show, but yeah, kitten update. Like and subscribe for more, and watch my gaming content.